Okay, so yesterday we have discussed this chapter, Introduction to Robotics. Okay, and this chapter we have already discussed in offline classes. So tomorrow we will do the assessment part. Have you opened your assessment part, everyone? Okay, so first question is, robot is derived from Slavic word robotos, robota, roboti or robotom. So what will be the answer? Yes, write your answer in chat box fast. So answer of this question is B, that is robota. This one. Okay. Next is, which of the following type of robots is used for assembling and joining different part of machine? Everyone write your answer. Very good. So we have industrial robot. So based on application, how many types of robots do we have? Based on application, how many types of robots do we have? Very good, Ayushi. So we have 5 types of robot. And out of them, which one is using for assembling and joining machine part is known as industrial robot. Okay. Next, which component of robotics deals with nervous system of robots? ऐसा कौन सा component है जो nervous system से deal करता है? So basically, how many types of components do we have? How many types of components do we have? 3. Yes. And name? Okay, so we have basically 3 type of components when we are designing robotics. First one is mechanics. Then we have electronics. And last we have software. Okay, so mechanics is deal with the physical object. जो भी आपके moving object हैं या फिर physical object हैं, वो सारे हमारे किससे deal करते हैं? Mechanics से, right? Then we have, why students are joining late? बच्चे join your class on time, okay? And next we have electronics. Electronics में हमारे वो सारे components आते हैं which consume electricity. तो ये हमारा क्या है? Nervous system of robotics. ठीक है, आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स, बिकॉज इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एक ऐसा कंपोनेंट है जिसके बिना वो मशीन क्या होगी? डेड हो जाएगी. अगर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी नहीं है, पावर चार्ज नहीं है, तो आपका वो रोबोट है जो मशीन है कैसे मूव करेगी? सो इफ देयर इज नो चार्जिंग, नो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, देन रोबोट विल नॉट एबल टू डू एनी वर्क. मीन्स उसको कहीं से इंस्ट्रक्शन ही नहीं मिल रही है. तो इंस्ट्रक्शन हमारी कहाँ से मिलेंगी? नर्वस सिस्टम से, राइट? द लास्ट कंपोनेंट वी हैव सॉफ्टवेयर. सॉफ्टवेयर मीन्स set of program. Whenever we are saying software, software is nothing, it's just a set of programs. और programs हमारे कैसे डिजाइन होते हैं? with the help of set of instruction. अब कंप्यूटर तो आपका क्या है? एक मशीन है. आप उस मशीन को क्या काम करना है, कैसे काम करना है, all these things you have to tell the computer with the help of this instruction. और instructions को हम कैसे लिखते हैं? with the help of any coding language or any programming language. ठीक है, प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज की हेल्प से हम क्या करते हैं? कंप्यूटर को, मशीन को इंस्ट्रक्शंस देते हैं. और इंस्ट्रक्शन को हम कैसे देते हैं? विद द हेल्प ऑफ एनी प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज. अगर आप कोई भी सेट ऑफ इंस्ट्रक्शन को लिखोगे, दैट विल बी अ program and set of program will be a software. Clear? So these are basically 3 components that we are using to design robotics, and the question was nervous system. Nervous system is your electronics component of robotics. Clear? So here answer will be electronics. Next, which of these is an application of agriculture robot? So we have here 4 type of application. First one is harvesting. Then we have rehabilitation. then we have course, and last we have search and attack. Okay, now these are some application, and based on this application we have to tell the name of robot that we are using for this purpose. Okay, so answer of this question is harvesting. I know. So harvesting is related to agriculture robot. And if I will give you seeding or soil monitoring, all these are application of agriculture robot. Next we have rehabilitation. So which robot is doing this work? Rehabilitation. Anyone? What is ethics? Ethics means कुछ rules और regulation. ठीक है, जैसे कि अगर आपको इस कंप्यूटर को किसी के कंप्यूटर को शेयर करना है, तो शेयर करने से पहले या ओपन करने से पहले आपको क्या मोरल्स हैं, क्या रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन है जो फॉलो करनी चाहिए. Without taking anyone's permission, you are not allowed to touch anyone's system. So these are ethics of computer. Okay. Okay. So next is rehabilitation. Very good. So this application is done by medical robot. Then next we have course. Now tell me the name of robot which is doing this work. Robot. Why are you writing answers of next question? Bache? First tell me the answer of this one. So course is done by domestic robot. Okay, and last one we have search and attack. This one is an application of what kind of robot? Very good, Arpita. So this is an application of military robot. So these are some application and name of robotics. So in exam or in your class test, I can give you any application. You have to tell me the name of robot. So just write this name of robot in your book in front of all application. Okay, and this application I can also change, like in place of rehabilitation I can write monitoring of patient. Okay, companionship, any application I can write here. So you have to learn all the application with the name of robot. Is it clear? So answer of this one is harvesting. Next, which of these is a domestic robot? So here are some example given, and they are asking which one is domestic robot. Answer please. Both A and B. Yes. So we have Roomba and Honda Azure. Okay, so these are two names of domestic robot. अगर आपके पेपर में क्वेश्चन आता है name or give name of domestic robot, so you have to write this one, Roomba and Honda Azure. So here answer is both A and B. Okay, is it clear to all of you? Any doubt, anyone? Okay, so next is assessment number 2. So I don't have assessment number 2 in this PDF, so I can guess. Question number 1 is define robotics. Is it correct? This is your question number 1 of assessment 2, define robotics. Yes, so this is your question number 1, and this question is given in your book on first page, this one. So robotics is a branch of engineering that deals with design, development and application of robot. Is it clear? So definition of robotics is, no need to worry, I will upload the PDF. In some classes it is not done. I will share the answer key and upload it on your Lotus Valley app. Okay, so you can just complete your notes, but right now we are just discussing the question answers so that you can understand and learn it in an easy way. Okay. Okay, so in first question is define robotics. So robotics is a branch of engineering that deals with design, development and application of robots. Is it clear? Yes, Biche, this is the answer. Only this one. So next question is define robots and derivation of term robot. I think this is the question, right? So in definition of robot, you can write a robot is a machine that can sense its environment and make decision to do work on its own with or without help from humans. So robot क्या है? एक मशीन है जो environment को sense करता है, फिर decision करता है, decision लेता है और फिर काम करता है with the help of human beings or its own, means without human beings help. Clear? So robot is a machine that senses environments and make decision to do work on its own with or without human beings help. Clear? Okay. So next is derivation of term robot. तो आप क्या लिखोगे heading बना के? Derive of term robot, and then you will write this is derived from Slavic word robota, which means forced labor in 1920. Okay. So this one you have to write. Now, next question is define autonomous and non-autonomous robot. Clear? Who will define these terms? We have discussed these things yesterday also. Anyone who can define autonomous robot here? Yes, who wants to define? Kunjal, okay. Yes, Kunjal, define autonomous robot. Then Arpita will define non-autonomous.
The robot which can work entirely without any help of human are known as autonomous robots.
Very good. So robots which can work entirely without the help of human beings is known as autonomous robot. Now Arpita, non-autonomous
Robot. Ma'am, may I mute myself now?
Yes, beta, sure. Arpita.
Ma'am, robots
Mhm.
which need human beings to give them instructions are called non-autonomous robots.
Yes, so robots which requires humans instruction to complete their work, means जिनको human beings की help की instructions की requirement होती है to complete their work are known as non-autonomous robot. Very good. So next question is state laws of robotics. This one. Or application or uses of. Yes. The next question is state laws of robotics. So we have basically three types of laws in while we are designing robotics. So who will explain law number 1? Arpita. Again Arpita. Arpita Jangir. Okay. Yes, Arpita. Then Ayushi will explain second law. Start, beta, Arpita. One by one, give me your name. Okay. Arpita, now explain law number 1. Okay, Vanshika, you will also get chance.
Ma'am, there are 3 laws of robotics. First law says that the robot should not harm a human being. Second law says that it should follow every
Arpita, hold on, beta.
instruction.
First law you have to explain. Okay. So in first law it says
Okay.
a robot may not injure or may not harm a human being. Okay. In action on allow a human being to come to harm. Means ना तो वो खुद harm करे ना वो ऐसा कोई काम करे कि किसी human being को intentionally उसे harm करना पड़े. So both things he has to follow. That device has to follow. First कि वो खुद किसी को harm नहीं करे और वो ऐसा कोई काम नहीं करे कि human beings forcefully उसको harm करने के लिए आए. ठीक है? So this is the first law. Next, who wants to explain second law? Give me your name. Niharika was here, I think. Vanshika. Yes, Vanshika or Ayushi. Second was Ayushi. Yes, Ayushi. Continue with the second law. Ayushi, what happened?
So, ma'am, second law say that the robot must have to obey all the orders that are given by a human being, where these orders would conflict with the first law.
Yes, so second law says robot must obey the orders given by human being except it must conflict the फर्स्ट लॉ मीन्स आप उसको जो भी इंस्ट्रक्शन दे रहे हो ह्यूमन बींग्स के द्वारा वो सारी की सारी ओबे करे, फॉलो करे, लेकिन उसको ये बात का ध्यान रखना कि फर्स्ट लॉ आपका कन्फ्लिक्ट नहीं होना चाहिए। मीन्स वो ऐसा नहीं कि किसी को हार्म कर रहा है, उस टाइप की इंस्ट्रक्शन उनको ओबे नहीं करनी। ठीक है, देन लास्ट लॉ हु वांट्स टू एक्सप्लेन? वंशिका और वगीशा? दीपिका शर्मा। ओके दीपिका, यू कंटिन्यू विद द थर्ड लॉ।
A robot must be protect its own execution as long such as protection does not conflict with the first or second law.
So existence, a robot must protect its existence means वो वहाँ पे exist करता है, ऐसा नहीं कि वो robot पड़ा है और उसको कुछ use नहीं करे। अगर आप कहीं पे हो तो आपकी existence वहाँ पे prove होनी चाहिए। So you must protect your existence as long as such protection does not conflict first and second law। तो आप अगर फर्स्ट लॉ प्रिपेयर करो इट मीन्स आपको हार्म नहीं करना, ठीक है। सेकंड करो तो सेकंड को तो फॉलो करना है के साथ साथ आपका फर्स्ट लॉ भी आपको फॉलो होना चाहिए। थर्ड में भी आपको थर्ड लॉ तो करना है, साथ साथ आपको क्या ध्यान रखना है कि सेकंड और फर्स्ट लॉ भी आपका फुलफिल होना चाहिए। सो दीज आर सम रूल्स और रेगुलेशंस फॉर डिजाइनिंग एनी रोबोटिक्स। सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन वी हैव लिस्ट सम डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ रोबोटिक्स, राइट? Is this correct? This is the next question. Yes, list 5 different types of robots and their uses. So first type of robots we have industrial robot. Who wants to explain industrial robot? Kunjal Parik, no. Anyone else except Kunjal? Because you all have explained one point. So we want to give chance to someone else. Deepika Sharma. You have explained right now. Anyone else? Vanshika. Okay, Vanshika, you will explain. Yes, Vanshika, continue, beta. Explain first type of robot and their uses. What happened, Vanshika? Okay, Bagisha Jangid, you continue, beta. First type of robot and their uses.
And they are used for medical surgery also.
No,
for
no, no.
rehab.
You are reading from book, right? In book, it's given wrong. Industrial robot we don't use in medical field. I asked you to do correction yesterday also. First, identify the name industrial robot, and this point we have discussed in assessment also, beta. If we have heard. Anyone else? Kunjal and Arpita both are saying we want to explain. Ayushi. Yes, Kunjal, explain, beta. First type of robot and their uses.
Ma'am, industrial robots are used to assembling and rejoining the machine parts.
Very good. So first type of robot we have industrial robot, and these kind of robots we use for joining and assembling different parts of machine. Means आप इनको इंडस्ट्री में यूज करते हो, क्यों यूज करते हो? सपोज आपको कोई मैन्युफैक्चर करना है, कोई व्हीकल मैन्युफैक्चर करना है, कोई ट्रक, बस, कार आपको मैन्युफैक्चर करनी है, तो उनके डिफरेंट पार्ट्स होते हैं, उन सब पार्ट्स को हम एक एक करके असेंबल करते हैं। तो वहाँ पे मैनुअली पर्सन्स को ना यूज करके हम क्या करते हैं? रोबोटिक्स मशीन का यूज करते हैं, जो वन बाय वन ईच एंड एवरी पार्ट को क्या करते हैं? ज्वाइन करके असेंबल करते हैं। सो दिस काइंड ऑफ वर्क वी कैन डू विद द हेल्प ऑफ industrial robot. Is it clear, everyone? Next
Yes,
type
ma'am.
of robot. Who wants to explain?
And then there are mainly 5 types of robots.
Arpita Kumari. Yes, Arpita.
Ma'am, second type of robot is medical robots. So, ma'am, in this, they are used in medical surgeries for rehabilitation and for monitoring patients and for companionship, etc.
Yes, so medical robots we use in hospitals for medical surgery, for monitoring a patient, for rehabilitation means उनको कुछ और requirement है, उनको बार बार monitor करना है, companionship आपने कोई कैंप लगाया है वहाँ पे आपको चेकअप के लिए कहीं यूज करना है, या फिर कुछ आपको मॉनिटर करना है कि कौन लोग आ रहे हैं, कौन जा रहे हैं. सो ऑल दिस काइंड ऑफ वर्क्स इन हॉस्पिटल वी कैन डू विद द हेल्प ऑफ मेडिकल robots. Next, who wants to explain? Next point. Deepika Sharma. Yes, Deepika.
Military robots. There are the use of military robot for the transport, search, attack, bombs, display, etc.
डिस्पोजल. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट वी हैव मिलिट्री रोबोट. जैसे कि इसके नाम से आपको पता चल रहा है, इसको हम कहाँ यूज करेंगे? मिलिट्री में. अब मिलिट्री में हमारे पास क्या क्या काम रहते हैं? ट्रांसपोर्टेशन का काम रहता है कि आपको एक प्लेस से दूसरे प्लेस पे कुछ खाने का भेजना है, कुछ आपको कुछ भी भेजना है, आपको मिलिट्री से रिलेटेड, अटैक से रिलेटेड कोई भी डिवाइसेस आपको सेंड करनी है, तो वो आप ट्रांसपोर्टेशन का काम विद द हेल्प ऑफ रोबोटिक्स कर सकते हो. या फिर आपको बॉम्ब डिटेक्शन करने की, कहीं बॉम्ब है या नहीं, फिर बॉम्ब डिटेक्ट हुआ है उसको डिस्पोज करना है, उसको डीएक्टिवेट करना है. So all these kinds of work we can do with the help of military robots. Next, who wants to explain? Arpita Jangir. Yes, Arpita.
They are used for seeding, weed control, harvesting, environment and soil monitoring, etc.
Okay, so agriculture robot we use in farming field, means we are using for seed, weed control and हार्वेस्टिंग, सॉइल मॉनिटरिंग. सो जो भी आप फार्मर मैनुअली जाके करते हैं, आप फार्मर्स को इतना परेशान न करके हम क्या करते हैं, बड़े बड़ी कंट्रीज में से यूएस में, जापान में रोबोट्स का यूज़ करते हैं. तो सारा काम इंसान ना करके वो रोबोट्स करते हैं, जैसे वीड कंट्रोल करना या फिर आपको पेस्टिसाइड्स करना, जो भी आपके सारे काम है विद द हेल्प ऑफ रोबोट्स यू कैन डू. एंड दिस काइंड ऑफ रोबोट्स आर नोन एज एग्रीकल्चर robot. Next, last. Yes, last point who want to explain fast, beta? We have to complete this assessment today. Last point who want to explain? Anyone? Again, Deepika. Okay, Deepika. Continue with the last point.
Domestic robots. There are the used for performing chores in and around the house. And Honda Asno show in the image is a humanoid
Humanoid.
robot.
Okay, so next and last we have domestic robot. Domestic robot that we are using in or out house, means आप घर में या फिर रेस्टोरेंट में अपने कोर्स के लिए, कोर्स मीन्स कुछ ऐसे बोरिंग टास्क जो आप खुद से नहीं करना चाहते. So those kind of work we are getting it done by help with the help of robotics. Okay, then we have two names here for domestic robot, Honda Asimo and Robota is an example of domestic robot. And here the one term we have humanoid. Humanoid means ऐसे रोबोट जो ह्यूमन बींग्स को रिजेंबल करते हैं, या फिर जो काम ह्यूमन बींग्स करते हैं वो सारे के सारे काम वो रोबोट करते हैं. So those kind of robots are known as humanoid robot. Is it clear? Now next question. Next question we have, I think, components of robotics. Is it correct? Last question. Yes. So last question we have, define components of robotics. Okay. So last question, who wants to explain fast? So basically we have three types of components: mechanics, electronics and software. So Kunjal is asking, I want to explain. Okay, Kunjal. So this is last question. I hope you all have understand and learn this question by explanation. Is it right? Okay, Kunjal, continue.
Ma'am, the components are of robots. There are three major components of robots, in which first is mechanics, second is electronics, and third is software. So mechanics work is just to, as well as to join the moving parts of the robot, and electronics work, it deals with the nervous system of a robot, and software deals with and help the robot to make decisions for
Yes,
its
so we
work.
have basically three type of component: mechanics, electronics and software. Mechanics deal with the physical object, or you can say moving object. Then electronics deal with the component which consume electricity. And last one we have software. Software means the instruction that we are giving to the machine so that it can take decisions. So basically we have three type of components of robotics. Is it fine? So I think we have completed our assessment, or anything is left?